Today I'll show you how to create a stunning website in minutes just using Wix ADI. Wix built-in AI website builder. No coding, no stress, just smart design. Head over to Wix, create an account, and choose Start with Wix ADI. This is the AI tool that builds a personal site for you. Wix ADI will ask you what type of website you need: portfolio, online store, business, site, blog, or anything. Just answer a few simple questions about your goals and style preference. In seconds, Wix ADI generates a ready-made website, complete with layouts, colors, fonts, and images. You can preview different designs and pick the ones you love. From there, you can tweak anything: swap images, edit text, add sections like about, services, or contact. The drag and drop editor makes it super easy. Need extra features? Add a store, bookings, chat, or blog with just a click. Wix integrates everything for you. When you're ready, hit publish. Wix gives you a free domain, or you can connect your own custom one for a professional look. Pro tips: use high quality images to make your site pop. Keep your homepage simple. Highlight what you offer right away. Don't forget mobile optimization. Wix does this automatically, but always double check.